It's Father's Day, so we're headed out to the show. We got the truck, the Volkswagen ready. We took this one yesterday. We're going to leave her home. I got a video on this one coming up. This is the 55. The one I haven't talked to so much about because I haven't got all the build pictures done on it. But y'all seen this one. This is what she looks like when this is Sir Rat. You seen what her first drive. But we're headed to Toffus Park for Father's Day, and to everybody out there, happy Father's Day. Getting warmed up, ready to go. This is what you do after you get the metal hot. See you there.